Okay, another quick review on factoring difference of squares, and just basic quadratic factoring. So difference of squares means the first term is squared and you're subtracting the second term, which is also squared. It just simply factors to the first, subtract the second, and remember it's the square root. So it's not x squared, it's x subtract y times x plus y. Or it doesn't matter, x plus y could be first times x subtract y. But that's it for difference of cubes. So if we look up here, remember if there's numbers involved, you still take the square root. So notice, I'm going to rewrite 16 as 4 squared. So that's 4 squared k squared, subtract 3 squared. And now, remember, we just take the square root of each of those terms and put them in the two sets of parentheses. So the square root of 16 and k squared is 4k. Put a subtract sign. The square root of 9 is 3. Another binomial, again, it's the square root of 16k squared, which is 4k, plus the square root of 9. Boom, that's it. That is difference of squares. Now, basic factoring, there's some simple ways to do it, but one way to do it, if some of you have a hard time just seeing it, you're going to look at this third number and you're going to find factors of the third number that add up to the second number. So factors of negative 12, well, 12 times negative 1, 6 times negative 2, 4 times negative 3, or negative 12 times 1, negative 6 times 2, negative 4 times 3, and I should have brought down all of these. Which of these factors of negative 12 add up to positive 4? Right here. And then these two factors go in the double sets of parentheses. Notice a p will go into each set. So the p's go there. And there's a subtract sign right there. The 12 is a negative 12. So to get a negative, it's a positive times a negative. And then you just take these. So guess what? The negative 2, that now says negative 2. That's a positive 6. That says positive 6. Ta-da! You have factored this, just simple factoring. Remember, when there's a leading coefficient, it's a little bit more complex than that. That's when you find the factors, you break it into 4 terms, and then you do the grouping method. But for simple factoring, that's all you have to do.